few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Hey y'all, it's unboxing time. Let's get into my July PR. Starting off with Ipsy. You know, this was my first real glam box. I got through a referral, so it was free. You know, they send you a bunch of little minis of everything. I was most excited about their brow gel and the Elements toner. Moving on, this is a brand called Sulina. They sent me some mini facial cleansers and oils. I also got a soap I have not tried yet, but I'll get into it. Next is Solar Wave. Oh my goodness, I was so excited to get this package. Like, they sent me their Renew Complex Activating Serum with Blue Tansy. And then they sent me the 4-in-1 skincare wand. Like, y'all, watch me pull this thing out the box. It is the coolest little gadget. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for 2 weeks now. Moving on, this is Health Vape. This is like some cool and calm lavender vape. I'll let y'all know how that goes. Next is Monica Blunder. Oh my gosh, shout out to them because they literally asked me what I wanted and sent me everything. The packaging is so cute. I got like a lip crayon, some eyeliner, some blush. I cannot wait to use everything that they sent me. So cute. Okay, and coming up next, this is my package from Smart Life. They sent me some apple cider vinegar gummies. Haven't tried yet. Oh my goodness, Face Theory. Like, round of applause for them. This packaging, 10 out of 10. Now, they asked me what I wanted, and I had requested the vitamin C cleanser and the serum, but they ended up sending me everything from the line. Like, woo! Stop. I got the reducing pore toner. I got the collagen boosting serum. This is me like opening everything, smelling everything. I was just so amazed. I've been using them now for like the past 2 weeks and I absolutely love it. Like, I'll be doing a follow-up video on the product soon. And this is another one of my ultimate favorite packages that I got from True Botanicals. Oh my goodness, I was so excited. I've always heard wonderful things about this line. And they came through for your girl, okay? Like, they sent me, this is the ginger turmeric cleansing balm that I'm opening. It smells so good. I love it. Like, when I tell you 10 out of 10, I use this every chance that I get. Like, love it. And then next, I got the Biotin Booster. They also sent me the active serum as well as their radiance oil. Like, so far I have been loving everything. Like, the packaging was amazing. Everything smells so good. Like, you can see me literally smelling everything. Gotta smell it all. Then Vegamore, okay, they came through. Like, look at this packaging. Stunning. Not only was the packaging stunning, but they sent me a handwritten note. Like, love y'all for that. Shout out to Vegamore. They sent me their dry shampoo and literally the entire Grow serums. I got 3 of them, but I only opened one in this video because they, you know, all look the same. But look at this packaging. Look at the serum. Like, you can see me taking a sniff and testing out the dropper. Absolutely love it. And this is everything in all of its glory. Like, thank y'all so much. I cannot wait to see what I get for August. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.